is Nikkie Spice. Nikkie Spice is a musician, a South African-based songbird, songwriter, vocalist. Above all, she loves what she does, and that's music. I grew up in South Africa, started doing music in 2009, but only discovered my talent in 2014. That's when I started getting serious about it. No, I can't say it's full-time because I have to balance work and studio. So as long as I have time for studio and work, I'm okay, and I never miss my recordings. I never miss any shows. So yeah. Now, if we are to talk about challenges, would go the whole day and the whole night. All I can say is that as women, we don't get the same recognition as men because it seems like it's a male-dominated industry. So for us, it's difficult. But yeah, when we do bloom anyway. Well, I've got one album to my name that was released 2018 by Big Mouth Superstars, but now I've got another album that's actually coming that's called SLS, that was produced by McLean Beats at Masterminds Records. Those are the guys that I'm working with now. I've actually worked with a lot of producers before, the likes of Timan Mount Zion, Critical Beats Clapping, Tonvik, DJ Asan, What 21, BMS, Kuto, a lot actually. So yeah. I've also worked with a few promoters here in South Africa, people that helped me through, people that got people liking me. I've got Shisaka, I've got Kempton Park Massive, I've got Queen Tasha, a lot of them actually, people that actually support me with DCG, you know, the South African Zimbabweans based here in South Africa, about 263, you know, those kind of people, masterminds, you know. Give thanks to all these people for helping me through. They were always there for me, and whenever I needed them, they always there. So yeah, this is how it is. Thank you so much, guys. Man a bad, but from the one but no tanga, go pa and when the pan take it bad man, me no afraid of no man. Holy papa tan come style and pattern, man a bad, but from the one but no tanga, go pa and when the pan take it bad man, me no afraid of no man. Holy papa tan come style, zitalon in the kendo garandrum cheeky one baby, no go see ya uri wake from Monday to Sunday, pasha every week, steady bam bum, somebody tamurik, in the style and partney, vane go what is in the satni, handy perissi pondi no chinja mapatan, kunge fashion, or better watch me depan, man up bad, but from the one. Nikkie Spice, Miadi, I am Marvin, Shumba Production, dinner come a kaku fight us, organize baby. Baby, who ya could on double posa, do bottom juno, dinner come with kaku fighter. So, who got it, baby, who ya could on double posa, do bottom juno. Payogandi wanna chigo tarisa, Hana yangu rola, nobody kitira, Kuzati fono tarisa, Mumoyo mango no zaguti aba baby. Jiwanira, Saga baby boy, who ya umbondi from Mamiranguva Yanga Yareba, in Chikuarira, Mawoko Erudo, Iwe umbondi Kumbatira, Diwamokana, one dying and I can get it, I'm a kaku fighter. So, Uganiti baby, who ya could on double posa, do bottom judo, dinner come a kaku fighter. So, Uganiti baby, who ya could on double. Kana baby ano tini tino neta atindi no da iwe saga sandira sise usaterere